How to order Temu cash on delivery. In this video, I'll show you guys how you can easily do that. Open up your Temu application, or if you're continuing on the web browser, just open it up. Now, let's say if I just order any item from here, so let me just go ahead and order this jacket. I'm going to add this to cart, so I'm going to tap on add to cart. But before you do that, just make sure that you are logged into your account. So I've just tapped on add to cart. So I'll just select my size and then tap on add to cart. Now you can go ahead and tap on the cart option and then proceed to checkout. So once you go to the checkout page, cash and delivery option is completely on the regional's end. So all you have to do here is just continue and enter your street address. And then when you get to the checkout page, once you get here, you can select different kind of options like your card, PayPal, Afterpay, even Google Pay. But if you have a low amount of order or the cash, then you will find the cash on delivery option so you can directly pay it after you get the product. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video.